Welcome to another Tool Time with MW Garage. And today we're going to be talking about using a spot weld cutter. Tool Time is brought to you by Forge Line Motorsports, 30 years strong. Our tool of choice is a Blair spot weld cutter. This handy kit comes packaged with 3 spare cutters and a spare pilot drill. The first job is to identify the spot welds and mark them, as shown. New slides for the heavy-duty drawers. And a skip-proof pilot. And now we're getting ready to get her done. The idea is to drill the front face and not to drill completely through the 2 sections of the metal. We normally drill a small pilot to help line up the weld. You can see here how the outer old slide is already starting to separate from the drawer itself. A chisel and it will go and separate nicely. You might need to go and drill a little bit more, as is shown here. Should have drilled it deeper. Never mind, that's it done. Now it's time to clean up. Ready for a bit of paint, and next job would be to fit the new slides. This is another Tool Time from Motorworks Garage.